We're diving into the Sony A6700, a camera that has been making waves in the videography community. This tutorial will guide you through the best cinematic video settings for your camera. For that dreamy cinematic look, you'll want to shoot in 24 frames per second. Go to the camera settings, select File Format, choose 4K, and then set your record setting to 24p. This frame rate is the standard for cinema and adds a natural motion blur that screams cinematic. Next up, ISO. Keeping your ISO as low as possible is key to reducing noise. Start at the base ISO for S-Log3, which is ISO 800. Only increase it if necessary, and always try to control your light environment to maintain the integrity of your image. Consistent white balance is crucial for cinematic footage. Avoid using auto white balance. Instead, manually set your white balance according to your shooting environment to maintain color consistency across your shots. This will save you a lot of time in post-production. Switch to manual focus to take full control over your storytelling. This allows you to create deliberate focus pulls and maintain sharp focus on your subject, crucial for that cinematic depth of field. Use the focus peaking feature to assist you in nailing sharp focus every time. Lastly, make the most of your Sony A6700's built-in stabilization. For handheld shots, ensure your camera's steady shot is enabled. This will smooth out any minor jitters, making your footage look polished and professional. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup guide to achieving the best cinematic video settings on your Sony A6700. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.